Good day, traders. MK here. I probably should have made this video sooner, but I had a lot of commitments. So yeah, I'm only getting a chance now. So yeah, with the update for oil, if you have checked the price of oil, you can see that we had a killer trade. We had a killer of a trade. Um, if you probably, if I actually didn't make a video previously about this move that was about to happen, you probably wouldn't believe this. You probably would have thought that I was lying, capping, as you can see, the overall movement gave out a risk to reward of 1:60, which is ridiculous, guys, ridiculous. The entry point was, perfect, it was spot on. uh, And the good thing is I actually mentioned all this on the video. I did mention that as soon as oil breaks this resistance, you can enter, put your stop loss below this low. Then there you go. You would have had your 1:60. To this day, I myself didn't catch the whole move because I had never expected it to go that far. But because of the war that's currently going on, it obviously if affected the price of oil. So currently you can see that it is making a pullback, and it's failing to break this low, and we have a lower high point right here. So should the market go above this level, makes a new higher high, then we want to see a pullback coming back. And then what you want to see is, you don't want to see that pullback break that low. This like, listen to me carefully, this low on the 4 hour, not a low on the H1 or 30 or 15 minutes, this low on the 4 hour, right? Then the market will start to go back up. Once the market now breaks this resistance again, you can enter. That's it. I'm giving you an entry on the 4 hour time frame. Put your stop here on this low. The market is going back to retest the all-time highs. That's it. It's that simple, guys. Higher highs and higher lows, right? Let's go to the H1 quickly, because I'm actually not here for oil today. I'm here for Bitcoin, because I see some Bitcoin is giving us some nice setups. So you can see on the H1, the price failed to make a new low right here. It respected this low. It failed to make a new low, and we are now about to break that high, which is gonna be a good sign. So like I've said on the H4, this should continue going higher, and then we want to see a pullback, come back down low, but not break that main low that we have seen on the H4. So once the H1 now gives us higher highs and higher lows, you can enter. Buy. It's going back to the all-time, well, it's not all-time highs, but it's going back to the highs, right? Now let's go to Bitcoin. I'm gonna be quick with this. Bitcoin, let me start on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can see that we are overall on a downtrend. Uh, and then, however, since we created this low, we failed to make a new low. And then we came and we broke this resistance right here, meaning that we made a higher high at that point. So we made, this was a high, higher low, higher high. We came back to retest that higher low point and respected that higher low point. So meaning that I am expecting Bitcoin to go higher, right, on the daily time frame. So let's go down to the smaller time frame and support our theory if we are actually correct about this whole thing going up, right? So we don't need this right now. We know that the market has formed a higher low on the um, daily time frame right here. We respected these lows, right? So now going to the H1, okay, before we go there, let's go back to the H4. H4, you can see that we had a higher low. We did not break this low. We had a lower high that was broken by this movement. This movement also broke that, and then that's when it came and made this higher low point. After this higher low point, we had a push that came up all the way to here, which is our new higher high. This was our previous higher high point, right? Then we came back. This is seemingly looking like our new higher low point, right? How do we know that? I know that because when I go to the H1 time frame, I can see that the market was making lower highs, lower lows, lower low, lower high, lower low right here, lower high, lower low, lower that until we have a break of structure right here. The market broke this lower high point and then came and made a new higher high point right there. So what we want to see is we want to see that trend that comes but then fails to break this main low. Once now the market breaks a high, it's going up, you can enter your trades. That's it. It's that simple, guys. Just the higher highs and higher lows, not complicated. Um, our current higher high, which is this one, will be our first take profit level because there are sellers sitting there. That's why you see the market crashing down like that because there are sellers sitting there at that point. And then our second take profit, should we break that, the market is coming here. 1:9, raised to 9.5, raised to what? Yeah, higher highs and higher lows. Keep that in mind. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. That's it. And then for a downtrend, it's the exact opposite of that. That's it. Higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows.